If you guys are preparing for scholastic assessment test, then here is a good news for you. Google recently released a new update. Now you can take full practice sets in Gemini, and these practice sets are totally free. Let's go on mobile screen and share this video with sets aspiring. Open Gemini app. Now type prompt in prompt box. Here I am typing I want practice for SAT. Please create practice set. Then click on this forward icon to proceed. Wait for some time. Here you can see Gemini created our practice test. Now click on open. Now you will be redirected to Gemini web version. Here you can see syllabus of SAT. First is reading and writing and second is math. And each section is divided into two modules. If you want to start test, simply tap on start. Here I am choosing first section, that is reading and writing. This is another information box. First option is for timing. Second, if you want to show correct answers after each response, you can turn on these settings. Otherwise, you can turn off. Now I am tapping on start test. Here you can see this is question and here are 4 answers. Here is timer appearing on top right corner. Now I am choosing random answer. Here I have selected wrong answer. Here Gemini is also showing right answer with explanation. If you want to go on next question, tap on next. On top you can see Gemini is showing which answer is wrong and which answer is right. You can see this is our last question. So here submit option is appearing. Tap on it to submit. This is new dialog box. If you want to go back, tap on no go back option. Now I am tapping on yes submit option. It was module 1 and this is module 2. If you want to attend module 2, simply click on start module 2 option. Otherwise you can tap on skip. Here is our result of module 1. You can see timing, score and how many answer was wrong and right. Now if you want to practice on module 2, click on resume. Again I am clicking on random answers. You can take time to read to understand the question and then select answers. This is our last question. Again tap on yes submit. I have attended part 1, that is reading and writing. This is scorecard of part 1. Now second part of this assessment test is math. You can follow same procedure. Now I am clicking on submit button. Click on yes submit. So you can see this is the result of both part of assessment. If you want to go back on Gemini app, simply click on this cross icon. If this video is helpful for you, drop a comment on comment box.